The journey of the perfect paste begins in the soil.
Ginger is carefully handled.
Despite automation, at the end of the line,
The journey of the perfect paste begins in the soil, where two distinct and powerful roots reach peak maturity side by side.
Ginger is carefully hand-harvested to protect the delicate skin, ensuring the spicy juice remains sealed inside the rhizome.
Simultaneously, the garlic crop is uprooted, its papery layers acting as a natural shield for the pungent cloves within.
A rough cleaning in the field removes excess weight, leaving the heavy soil behind before the crop enters the logistics chain.
speed is essential. The fresh harvest is immediately crated to maintain moisture levels and prevent early oxidation.
Leaving the quiet fields behind, the raw ingredients now head towards the intense environment of the processing facility. To meet industrial demand, the raw harvest is consolidated onto heavy transport vehicles for the long haul to the processing hub. Upon arrival, every vehicle must pass strict security protocols before entering the food-safe zone. Traceability starts at the gate. Harvest manifests are verified to ensure the origin of every root is documented. Precision is key. The gross weight is recorded instantly to calculate the exact yield of the incoming raw material. Data is digitized immediately, integrating the fresh stock into the factory's inventory management system. With the logistics complete, the truck docks at the raw material intake, ready to feed the production line. This state-of-the-art facility is designed to transform raw, soil-covered roots into a premium, food-safe paste. The raw material enters the intake bay, a segregated zone kept separate from the high-care processing areas to prevent cross-contamination.
While the crop waits in the bay, the human workforce undergoes rigorous hygiene protocols before stepping onto the line.
Automated stations ensure that every operator is sanitized from head to toe before crossing the threshold into the production zone. Inside the high-care zone, the environment is temperature-controlled and pressurized, ready for the intense cleaning process. The process begins by feeding the raw, soil-laden harvest into the initial bulk receiving hoppers. A dry, rotating trommel acts as the first filter, knocking off loose earth and separating rocks before any water is used. The crop plunges into an agitated bubble washer, where air jets gently scrub away stubborn dirt without damaging the flesh. A final high-pressure rinse strips away any remaining soil, ensuring only clean material moves to the peeling stage. For the garlic, specialized rubber rollers gently crack the bulbs, separating them into individual cloves for efficient peeling.
Air aspiration systems use physics to lift away the lightweight papery skins, leaving only the dense, flavorful cloves.
Despite automation, the human eye is the final judge, removing any imperfect roots to guarantee a premium quality paste. The ginger enters a high-pressure steam vessel. A sudden blast of heat loosens the tough skin from the flesh in seconds.
Rotating brush beds gently scrub away the loosened skins, revealing the bright yellow ginger and pearl white garlic underneath. Precision recipes dictate the ratio. The system automatically weighs the ingredients to ensure the perfect flavor balance. The first grind is brutal. Heavy-duty crushers break the solid roots down into a coarse, fibrous mash. To achieve that silky texture, the mash is forced through a colloid mill, shearing the fibers down to a microscopic level.
The paste is then cooked in jacketed kettles. This pasteurization process locks in freshness and ensures the product is shelf-stable.
Natural preservatives like vinegar and salt are folded in, balancing the pH to protect the flavor and color over time. Vacuum chambers remove trapped air bubbles. This prevents oxidation, keeping the paste vibrant and fresh for longer.
Rapid cooling is critical. Heat exchangers drop the temperature instantly to stop the cooking process and preserve the spicy kick.
Safety is non-negotiable. Inline metal detectors scan the flowing paste, ready to reject the stream if even a speck of metal is found. The finished masterpiece is stored in sterile buffer tanks, a massive reservoir of flavor ready for the final packaging line. The packaging line begins with chaos. Automated unscramblers gently organize thousands of glass jars into Before a single drop of paste enters, ionized air blasts every jar, ensuring the container is as pure as the product. Volumetric piston fillers inject the exact grammage into every jar, filling from the bottom up to prevent air pockets. Even the lids are treated. Steam injection creates a natural vacuum. As the steam cools, it pulls the safety button down, locking in the freshness. An X-ray eye looks through the glass and paste, a final high-tech guardian, ensuring absolutely nothing foreign is inside. For pouches, induction coils fuse the foil seal instantly, creating a hermetic barrier that guarantees tamper-proof safety. High-speed applicators wrap the brand identity around the jar, aligning the label perfectly with the glass contours.
Laser coaters permanently etch the batch details, ensuring traceability that can never be rubbed off or altered.
A steam tunnel shrinks the tamper-evident sleeve, a visual promise to the consumer that the product is untouched. Robotic packers handle the heavy lifting, grouping the jars into cartons with a gentle touch that prevents breakage. The cases are sealed and secured, transforming individual jars into bulk units ready for global distribution. Random samples are pulled directly from the line every hour, ensuring the product inside matches the strict laboratory standards. The human senses are the first test. Aroma, texture, and color are evaluated to ensure the paste meets the signature profile.
Acidity is crucial for safety. The pH level is measured to the decimal, confirming the preservation balance is perfect.
Viscosity checks ensure consistency. The paste must be thick enough to spoon, but smooth enough to dissolve instantly in a pan. Microbiological safety is paramount. Samples are incubated to prove that the paste is 100% free from harmful bacteria. Vacuum leak tests stress the seal to the limit, guaranteeing that the freshness locked in the factory stays inside until the kitchen.
At the end of the line, heavy-duty robots take over, stacking the finished cartons onto pallets with tireless precision.
The stack is secured with industrial stretch wrap, locking the load together to survive the long journey to the distributor. Orders are processed, and the inventory is loaded onto fleets of trucks, ready to reach supermarkets and kitchens worldwide. The pallet joins thousands of others in the climate-controlled warehouse, awaiting the order to ship.
And this is how modern factories produce premium ginger garlic paste from start to finish.